Okay, so in this video I'm going to covering up all the stuff that you need to know about creative intelligence product, and what it is, what you are going to get inside it, is it what to purchase, what are the best thing about it, what are the OTAs of this product. So I will be covering all the stuff in the front of you. So I want you to stick at this video and watch this video till the end, so you that get know about what creative intelligence is. So before moving ahead, I have provided the link in the description of official site of this amazing creative intelligence training program. Okay, so I have provided the link in the description. You just need to click on that thing and you will be able to purchase this amazing product. Okay, so let me tell you exactly what creative intelligence product is. So basically it is a training program which give you a lot of insights about PLR product, as well as you get to know all the stuff that you need to know. Okay, to do PLR marketing, what are the ways to do PLR, how can you earn through PLR, everything that you need to know about it. Okay, so this is in a brand new high quality PLR package ready to make immediate sales with. Okay, so inside of this amazing product you are going to get PLR banners, as well as PLR videos, as well as it have a training program. It is a training program, so it have also some basics, video training, mind map, a roadmap that you can follow. Creativity is a big niche that is in demand. Creativity, so basically it works on a creativity niche, so that you can get 100% out of that. Thoroughly research and professional written, so all the stuff that you are going to get it inside, it's in a high quality, written by professional people. Everything is totally done for you. Get the complete high converting sales funnels. Just upload it to start making sales. Make the package your own with some easy editing. Okay, you just need to do some easy editing. So let me tell you, this is a high quality information that everyone who wants to boost their creativity needs. So it is in a training program. So let me tell you exactly what are here is a simple glimpse what if the course. So it have 8 benefits for being a creative. You have chomping a big bit to get started and with boosting yourself. Okay, so I have provided a link in the description. You just need to click on that link and you just need to click on the get and ultimate creative intelligence PLR now, and you will be able to check it out. And it is just for around $9, as you can see right now. Okay, and it worth more than $37, and right now it's on launch right now, so you can get it for a good price. Grab your slice for a huge evergreen market that receives thousands of searches on Google. So basically it is a product that works on niche where a lot of traffic is going on, and you can get benefit from that. So which is the reason have targeted this huge high demand and power. So creative intelligence strategies to develop your creativity, as well it is a PLR product, so you are going to get some done for you stuff inside it. So let me tell you the OTOs inside that product that you are going to get. So let me close this tab first. Okay, so why should you promote this product? This is not for us. Okay, so front end, in the front end section, which is just for around $9, you are going to get high quality brand new training guide, cheat sheet, mind map, resource report, ready-made sales letter, thank you pages, hypothetical sales, video promo, professional design mindset, professional design graphic, 10 quality articles, professional design banners, promotional email swipe, high quality cover, social media images pack, and PLR license also. So this is the front end section of this product that you are going to get the stuff inside it. I want you to pause this video and read them carefully. So let's look at the OTO 1. So 10 videos tutorial, there are lots of stuff that you can read. The OTO 3, then OTO 4, then it have more than 6 OTOs, 5 OTOs. So you can get and learn about is it for you or not. Okay, for getting this OTOs, you need to firstly purchase this front end section, then you can get access to these also. Then after that, okay. So as I have shared with you that this is a PLR product. Once your customer have purchased creative intelligence strategies to develop your creativity from you, they will discover. So these are the stuff that your customer is going to get, and and imagine selling this powerful guide as well as a lot of stuff. Okay, the creative intelligence strategy is develops your creativity higher quality PR package. So PLR means it is a PLR product, so you are going to get a lot of done for you stuff. So in the module 1 you are going to get high quality guide, how can you create a high quality creative high quality product, and what includes inside, and these are the stuff. I have provided a link in the description. You just need to click on that link and you will be redirected to the official site of this amazing high quality PLR product, which is creative intelligence strategies to develop your creativity. Okay, so inside that you are going to learn how to create PLR products, how to publish them, how to sell them. It is inside this front end section. You are going to get the sales page also, everything that need you to do marketing with PLR, to earn with PLR. So you are going to get all the stuff done for you. So I have provided the link in the description. You just need to click on that link and you just need to click on get ultimate creative intelligence PLR now, and you will be able to get this. And it have 100% money back guarantee, free risk. It supports PayPal, Visa card, and any payment method that you are using right now. So if you love this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. If you still got any question in your mind, please comment down below. I will answer your question immediately. Okay, so this is it for today. Let's meet on next video.